What's up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan, thanks so much for coming by. So I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, my room is completely empty, pretty much, except for a couple things here and there. Yeah, I'm moving out of this place. I'm moving on to bigger and better things. So just really quickly, before I get into this video, really important video, but I just wanted to, you know, do a little walk down memory lane with you guys. I don't know if you guys remember this. This is my kitchen. You will not be seeing this anymore. I'm boxing up everything. This is my roommate's room. No windows, nothing. As you can tell, it's a state-of-the-art place. This is a chalkboard for whatever reason. And this is also the world's tiniest door. That's also a closet. But yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys. So anyways, in today's video, there was a recent study that came out that Uber drivers only make $7.50 per hour, which that's not what I make, but there's an Uber co-founder. One of the co-founders, he just recently bought a 72.5 to 100. The size of this home is huge. It's a $100 million house. As you can see here, Uber co-founder buys record-breaking LA mansion. Look at this thing. So there's the difference. Uber drivers make $750. Uber co-founders make $75 million. I think this guy probably made upwards of $100 million through Uber's IPO. I mean, I'll give him credit. I mean, I did mention this before, and a lot of people were like, "Oh my gosh, he made that thanks to the off the drivers," you know." And then somebody was like, "You're welcome." This guy built the whole app, so I think he deserves quite a bit. But as you can see here, I just want to show you guys. Let me know what you guys think of this house. Do you think he deserves this house? Uber co-founder, do you think he deserves a house like this? I mean, look at that. That's pretty much his driveway right here. Do you see that thing? That's a driveway. It looks like, I mean, that middle thing is probably bigger than my whole house. That's just his driveway. Look at this thing. Look at that pool over there. I mean, this whole backyard. That's the size of a football field. I don't know if you can put that into length. This place is huge. 56,000 square feet. Once belonging to Aaron Spelling. It's sold for $120 million. So yeah, it's huge. Two massive luxury real estate deals have shown a harsh. Let's see, Uber co-founder Garrett Camp and his partner Eliza Nguyen purchased a Beverly Hills breaking $72.5 million with an M million, not billion. That still would be a lot. It's a mega mansion. Honestly, this is absolutely huge. He completed the merely weeks after Uber's IPO. Yeah, they reached wealthy investors and founders. Let's see who else got a chunk of that change. Did any of you guys invest in the Uber IPO? I know Rideshare Professor did, as well as Kevin the entrepreneur. You guys buying $75 million houses? This guy definitely got super rich. Travis Kalanick, Uber's other co-founder. I mean, yeah, people got $3.7 billion. Was that Kevin? No, Garrett Camps. What? His value of Uber's stake is $3.7 billion. Oh my gosh, $3.7 billion. That is insane. Yeah, that's crazy. 4.2. Yeah, he has an estimated net worth of $4.2 billion. That's crazy, guys. So, yeah, he's worth over $4 billion. That's honestly, I can't even wrap my head around that money. Yeah, I would also be buying a $100 million house as well if I had $4 billion. I don't even know, what would you guys do with $4 billion? Let me know, do you guys think he deserves it? Do you think maybe he should just give a chunk of that change to drivers? Honestly, with $4 billion, he could give up $2 billion of those dollars. Let's see, there's probably what, 2-3 million drivers out there? What is that, $1,000 each? Yeah, that's not that much. Never mind. I was gonna say maybe he should give full-time drivers each $100,000. I think he would still have enough money left over to have like $2 or $3 billion left. Imagine that $100,000 bonus for all the full-time drivers. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Later, guys. Peace.